Today we are visiting our glass factory in a region known for its superior glass manufacturing capabilities. To get the best quality glass for our LED lighting products, we only work with the best partners in this field. The process is sophisticated. The perfect mixture of several types of filtered natural sand and chemicals are used. The contents are mixed and then placed into a large furnace, transitioning molten into liquid glass. Heated to over 1400 degrees Celsius for several hours, the liquid glass is then fed into the custom glass molds to let it start taking its shape, as specified by our clients. The final step in the glass-making process is the most important. Once the mold is completed, the glass is then slowly cooled by applying controlled heat to prevent breakage. The result is a high-quality glass that will be accompanied with the greatest technologies in LED lighting in the trendiest condos. It's what we do, and so well.